win Club Bilderberg. We want to win globalization. We want to win. If we want to win, I make an experiment with myself and I put a new program on my mind. Don't look for money. Don't look for money. I take the program of the system that they put in my mind, looking for money, I put away, and I put a new program that says, don't look for money. And what happens? And I make this experiment for 5 years. This is my 5 years without looking for money. I do it in progression, not suddenly. It's not very easy, because we are junkies of money. We need money all the day. I asked for a junkie one day, how you know, in which moment you know that you are a junkie? And he says, when I realize that I need the drug all the days, because I need the drug every day I need the drug. And I thought in this moment, I need money all the days. I'm always with money in my pockets. I have a credit card. I am playing with money all the days of my life. I am a junkie of money. I am junkie of money. And they say, no. I don't want to be a junkie. I don't want to be a junkie of money. And I try to be 5 years without looking for money, because I prefer looking for good luck. It's possible. It's possible to increase your good luck. It's possible or not? I think so.
But it's only for you. Not everybody can have good luck.
I think so. It depends of your mind. It depends of your mind. It depends of your faith. If you have faith on money, you are in the hands of globalization, Rockefeller, the people who invited money and convinced you and put the program in your mind, looking for money. They put this program in your mind, looking for money.
Yeah, but maybe poor people can let go of money, but the rich people will never let go of the money.
I don't understand you.
If I was a rich person, I wouldn't say no. I would keep my money and keep the logo, blah blah. So
well, the money for them. They Illuminati, Bilderberg Club, Rockefeller, globalization. They invented the money, and they invented the rules to play with money. All right, this game for you and for your people. All right, just continue work of this game, but I don't want to look with money. I want to look. I don't want to play with money. I don't like the game looking for money. I am discovering other possible games, a lot of games. You can play a lot of games.
Yeah, but it's a good theory you have, but it's not very realistic.
Why not? Why not? It's realistic for me because I am living in this movie. I am living.
You have to convince the rest of the world. The same thing.
No. I am talking about my experiment.
See, all the things you wear. You're talking about all humanity not looking for money, but all the things you wear. This shirt, this pants, this underwear, everything.
This.
Someone made it. Someone bought it. Someone sold it, and someone bought it again.
Yes. Oh. No. These things, this is for free. My mom gives me. Because some parent gives to my mom. It's for free and for free.
Yeah, but someone
in two generations for free.
But in the beginning, someone made
in the beginning, one man take a tela and make it.
No.
But later come the money. Later, the money is an intermediation between.
If not the money, the man will not make it.
No.
If not the money, he will not make it.
I can do it for free. They are going to put here a place to make clothes, maybe for free. It's possible.
No.
No, it's possible to make this for free. If I take this and I
people won't make it for free.
Okay?
People won't make it for free.
and some people want to make it for free.
No.
Yes. I know people.
Enough, yeah.
Yes, I know people who want to make clothes for free. They like to make clothes.
I would do it for free, if all humanity would be on it. But I know that here's all people I know. If I take away this is maybe people that won't that will do it, and this is the people that won't do it. Same for her, and same for all of them. It's a minority.
This is your idea.
It's not an idea.
No, it's an idea.
Fact.
It's an idea. No. You
Yes,
can't. No.
I know.
You can't talk about facts. In depth. I can only talk about my ideas. What I think about reality. I can talk about reality. The reality is there, but no, there is no an objective reality. No,
it's fact.
All is
it's
subjective.
No,
all is my point of view. Yes, you can talk all.
It is.
I can talk only of my point of view. This my only.
It is that way.
Not realistic. Realistic. Your point of view.
No.
Yes,
it is that way.
No, in my point of view.
I know my friends' friends. I know them, and that's reality.
Yes.
And I know that they are.
No. You know a lot of friends. I know a lot of friends and a lot of people.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of people who likes to do things for free. I know a lot of them. Almost all the people I know, they like to do some things for free. The things that they like.
That is
the better things that they can do. The things that they like. The best thing that you can do is the thing that you want to do for free, because you really want to do it. Because I do it, but I want money. You are not sure if you really want to do it, or you want the money. If you are in this position to do it for free, it's because it likes you really.
But some
and it's the best thing
are
that you
boring,
can do.
and some things are nice. So all the boring things people won't do, and there will be lots of shit on the street. No painted houses.
But
nothing.
I know a lot of people. And I know people who likes to do things that I think is impossible. He likes to clean. He likes to wash dishes. He likes. I don't understand. He likes to cook.
Not for the whole world.
I know people. There is a lot of people that like things that is impossible to understand.
Not for the whole world. They won't do it for the whole world.
You can't talk. Well, you can talk because if you want to talk. But I think it's not serious to talk about all the world. Think what I am going to say. I have the truth of the world. No.
It's not like that. He's saying that it's a fact that if you say that people do everything for free, then why isn't everything for free? That's